Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking a few cards, guys. So, this is for your general energy, Sagittarius. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship, Sagittarius. So, we will turn the cards as we proceed. This is for your oracle guidance message, guys. So we'll open that card at last. So for your general energy, Sagittarius, strength, a very positive card here, guys. So Sagittarius, with this card, the energy is that you are going to feel that courage and confidence in your heart. So whatever comes your way, you know how to deal with that situation, and you have that self control. So people cannot manipulate you into certain decisions. There may be somebody trying to manipulate you towards some choice, but you are firm, you are strong, and you are composed. You know what you want to do, and you have that unshakable resolve in whatever decisions you take, and you see it through the end. So you work till the end whatever you want to achieve, guys. So the way you do your work, calm, composed. So that is your energy today, guys. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It is a 9 of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe you are making some decisions. With this card, Sagittarius, maybe in your work situation, you need more awareness, guys. What your situation is and where things are heading, and you need to be prepared. You may be facing some obstacles in reaching your goals, but you are having that determination and power to do things, and maybe that may be helping you out to face the obstacles that you are facing today, guys. So you are putting in efforts, but the goals that you need to reach may see some delays or obstacles on the way, guys. But that is the energy here for your work situation. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. 3 of Swords. So with this card here, guys, maybe this person you are in relationship with, they may have you may face some kind of loneliness or separation from them, because you may not share that understanding with them, guys. And also for some of you all, you may feel there is another person involved in this relationship. Maybe this person is interested in someone else, but they are masking their feelings for them, and they are trying to be nice with you also, and they are trying to be nice with them also. They are not coming out with the truth, but you have certain doubts about this person, certain confusions, and that is the reason that you are not able to relate to them with that deep understanding, guys. So that is the energy for your relationship, guys. So you feel sad some way, and you are looking up to your inner strength as your guidance today, guys. So you are struggling in your work situation and in your relationship, and that may be the reason that you are holding yourself, trying to be calm and composed today, guys, to overcome these struggling times. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for your Sagittarius. Thinker. With this card, the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, is that you need to be analytical and logical in your situation, guys. So take things at the face value, whatever is right, whatever you feel right. So you need to be very calculative for what is right and what is obvious on the surface of things. So when you have that information, you need to take that into account and be guided by that, guys. Even in your relationship, when you do not share that common ground with this person, you need some things common with this person, guys, to make this relationship work. So you need to think of the pros and cons when you are in a connection with the other person. But if you are not able to find that common ground, don't force it to work, guys. Don't force this relationship to work. You will get people, you will get somebody who is who will connect to you, who will be like minded like you. So this is not the time for fantasy, guys. This is the time for facts. So if you don't share that understanding, don't cry for this relationship, guys. That is what I see here with this card. And even in your career situation, so you need to think of your actions. You have to be very calculative, analytical. You have to plan your strategy and focus on the steps you need to take to make your career or business work towards that prosperity. So your plans and strategies will give you wonderful results, guys. So this is the time for you to plan your action. So that is the oracle's guidance, guys. So you need to think deeply before whatever you need to decide, guys, in your work front and even in your relationship. That is the energy with this card, and that is a reading for today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.